Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we're doing an update video. I know it's been a few months. We're doing an update video on our fishing gear. So now I got 2 rods. I got a bunch of other fishing gear. I'm going to review everything, so there's going to be some doubles. So yeah, let's get into it. Hello everyone and welcome to... So yeah, we're going to do a update video on that whole thing, or the whole fishing gear thing. I got 2 rods, as you guys saw in the intro. So yeah, what we're going to start off with is this thing that I got for Christmas. It's called Mystery Tackle Box. Got the bass fishing kit. They have like 3 different kits, I think. Bass fishing. They got saltwater, and I think just amenity kit. So in the mystery tackle box I got a sticker. Also, this company sponsors my favorite channel that I like to watch, which is called Googan Squad, and those are my favorite fishing gear. So all I gotta do is just open this up. There's some pretty neat stuff in here, I believe. So yeah, let's check it out. Alrighty y'all, so what's inside this box is, so it's a box inside of a box, and what you gotta do, you get a bunch of stuff in there. You got a measuring tape on the box. So yeah, so what's inside the box, what I got anyways, you're always going to get something different in every box. So I got some Ultra Lock light soft plastic far out hooks. I got a hula popper, 2.0 hula popper. I got a D-Blade Adventure. It looks like a spinning bait. I got some Lake Fork trophy lures. Worms. Got another worm. This is the last bait that came in the box. This is the X Zone Pro Series Deception Worm. So that's what I got in there. And what it comes with this little like information booklet. It also comes with a sticker that has every single price that's on that each bait costs, or each item that you receive cost. So sometimes you get your money worth, and most of the time you get your money's worth. Sometimes there might be some things cheaper than what you actually had. So I'm gonna put these back in the box. I did buy more Googan gear, so yeah, that was a while ago. I mean, I'm really bad at bass fishing, so yeah. So the next item I have, open up my tackle box. I have to get a new tackle box. So I got the Googan Squad chatterbait, or spinnerbait. Can't remember which one exactly this is, but yeah. This is one nice. Here's my other Googan Squad one. I can't remember what this one is. I think I have the cases in there. I got the Googan Squad Eat Me Frog. I gotta cut the tail a little bit, but the Googan Squad Eat Me Frog. Go with all the Googan products first. So I got a 5-inch linker log that are currently frozen. because they've been sitting in my car. I got a bandito bug.
You're actually not supposed to be listening to music. You're supposed to be outside with that using the
I got cracking crawls. I lost one already. I have some power bait for trout. Some fishing line. This is what I currently have on one of my rods. You guys will see here in a few minutes. It's 30-pound braided line. I got the same scale.
Your Chromebook with the cable hanging off the side.
And weights. I also have a fillet knife that's upstairs. And I still have that 14 pound mono line. Don't have that on my rod though. So yeah, that's all in my fishing baits. I'm planning on getting more here before the summer, so we'll see how that one goes. Put all these back. I'm also going to do some collabs with a few of my friends in fishing. We're going to do a bunch of fishing stuff. So yeah. That's all my fishing tackle or baits and stuff. So now what I got, I'll show you here in a second. Alright, so in that video, the first fishing humidity kit video that I did was I was waiting on another product. This took some time to get in, but this is my Lew's American Hero baitcaster kit. It's a really nice rod. It's my first time bait casting, so actually I don't even know how to spool it. So I had to go to Dick's Sporting Goods, and they helped me out because I bought their line. They did it for free, and because I bought their line. This is really nice. I'm still getting used to using it. I love a pyramid, so I can't really use it right now. And then my newest rod, which I gotta clean up a bit, is this. It's a Walmart brand rod. It's a Tiger. I don't know how to pronounce the name that's on this rod. This is really big rod. This is more my primary rod, or secondary rod. Like this is for I'll put live bait on here, and worms to catch smaller fish. And the big casters for bass and bigger fish. I caught my first fish ever on this rod in the summer while I was going camping. I'll post a picture of that here at the end of the video. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please like, subscribe, and comment. I know this video went pretty fast. I went through a lot of things pretty fast. This is like a 5 or 6 minute video, depending. I don't know. So yeah. Expect some collabs here in the future, in the summer. I got a few friends that want to go fishing with me. I don't have to travel so far to go see one of them, and I have to travel about 2 hours to go see the other. So, yeah, expect some videos here in the future. I have another friend that we're probably going to do some trout fishing with here in the future as well in spring. So, yeah, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Expect some more videos coming out. I don't know exactly what to record. If you guys want to help me out, just go ahead and leave it down in the description below. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.